Hello everyone, this is Draco and today's the video is about how I do my music. A lot of y'all have asked me, hey Draco, how do you make your music? How do you edit your beats? How do you do all these stuff? And today that's what I'm going to do. And first of all, a lovely shout out to SHARI, My Humble World. She's a lovely YouTuber. I like her a lot. She's very kind, she's very experienced. She always makes you feel worthy, you know? So let's start. First thing I do to edit my beats, to make my song, is I usually, on my keyboard, here's my keyboard, I usually just experiment stuff and try to come up with chord progressions that I like. Keep watching until the end of the video because I'm going to finish a project, a little song that I'm going to do just to show you that that's how I do with my stuff. Okay. I love these chords.
A few moments later.
Okay. Or maybe I should let me split first. Oh nice, I could start with this chord. I think I should start with this, like this. Dun, dun. Okay, maybe. I like it like this. Ooh, nice. And it just goes back again. Something like this. I got the chords. So now I'm going to pop up my music maker software, literally named Music Maker, Magic's Music Maker, and now I'm going to pop it up. So something happened and I don't know exactly what it is, but it just doesn't let me the computer's audio, like on the software, the Music Maker software, it just doesn't let me record it. So this will kind of be like a surprise thing, like you will not hear what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Okay, let's start. Okay, nothing of this. Okay, new project. Okay, there we go. So the first thing I do after choosing my chords is I go to the media pool and I pick my instruments from here. I bought them, of course. There's much more to choose, like you can choose whatever you like, but I'm just going to start with classical electric piano. Let's wait. Go. And there's like a default melody, chord, song, whatever that there is. And I'm just going to reduce this and I'm going to empty this thing. I usually go for 4 squares. I don't know how you say this thing, but I usually, okay, now I'm just going to insert the chords that I did. I think this is it.
A few moments later.
So now after I've just exported the song, I'm going to record the vocals and change the name of the song to fit the aesthetic, and then I'm done. Here's the final product. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you figure this out, but I don't know who I am. Got lost in the road. And this was it. If you enjoyed this video, press a like and subscribe. And check the link in the links in the description for Shari's channel. I will leave it down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful to you and have fun. Bye.